Hello everyone. So now as you see here, our render is finished. So with a transparent background, so we need to add a white background to our product. So to do that, we need to go to the compositing tab. So click here and go to the compositing tab. So I need first to add a viewer node. So go to Shift A, output, then add viewer node and plug the image to the image and collapse this to wireframe with Shift and drag your right mouse button to have this line and collapse your two wireframes. I need to enable also the backdrop. Also, I will enable the use nodes. Now I will start to add my passes. So first pass I need to add is the glossy direct. I will add the mix RGB here. So I will mix my image with the glossy direct like this and change the blend mode to add. So you see here that the glossy is very overrated. So I will decrease it to 0.1. Also, I will make the same thing for the glossy indirect and plug the glossy indirect to the image and let the factor to 0.1, the same factor as the glossy direct. Also, the third pass is the AO. I will plug my AO here, but the AO, as you see here, it's a black and white pass, so I need to use the multiply blend mode to extract the black values from the white. So I will use a multiply like this, and maybe I will use 0.2. And for the shadow catcher, I will add a background to my product first after adding the shadow catcher. So I will add an alpha over node. So in the color tab, add alpha over like this, but in this case I will plug the image in the bottom. So now we can add our shadow catcher. So add a color mix RGB as usual here, the image in the top and the shadow catcher in the bottom. As you see here, we don't have our image, so also the shadow catcher, it's a black and white pass, so we need to change the blend mode to multiply, so to extract the black values from the white. And like this we have our chair finished, and our project is finished now. So this is the final part of our chair beginner modeling tutorial. So if you like the tutorials, I hope you support me on Gumroad. Also, you can download this chair from my Gumroad page for free, CC0. You can use it without any restriction. Also, if you like the video, hit subscribe and share it with your friend, and see you in other tutorial series. Assalamu alaikum.